Hi, I'm Brandon with Vivo, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change out the bushing in your honey extractor. First, using a wrench or pliers, remove the cap nuts from each end of the top crossbar assembly. Next, lift the whole top bar assembly with motor and lids off from the extractor. The damaged or worn bushing can then be pulled off from the coupling. The new bushing can then be installed into the extractor. With the new bushing installed, the top bar assembly with motor can now be placed back onto the extractor. And finally, reinstall the lock washers with cap nuts. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact our customer support team for assistance. Thank you for watching.